and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In this one I'm going to just very quickly, we just have to go over if statements in Swift. You probably know them already and I don't even feel like recording video like this one, but because they're so easy in Swift and pretty much in every programming language. But this is going to be more for beginners. I'm just going to mention them quickly. We must go over them and then we'll quickly just cover them up in this video and move to the more interesting and stuff like switch statements, etc. So just a reminder from the previous video, if you don't know how to create a new playground, open Xcode, go into File, New, Playground, and then you need to add a name to your playground, open it, and then you're going to get this. And hopefully your playground is not stuck like mine is. But if I now define a variable, let's start this off. I'll zoom in so you can see. Age, and my age is 21, that's it. And if it doesn't work, change automatically to manually. Remember, hold this, then change to automatically, and then it should work. So we use if statement to check if some condition is true or not, and based on that run some code or not. So let's say I want to check if my age is 21, and for that I'll use an if statement because this is a condition. So in Swift you just type in if like in any other programming language, and inside then parentheses in which you're going to nest or write this condition. And our condition is age equal, and by the way, this is just an operator to check if just like an equal sign is in math, to check if something is equal to something else, and that something else is 21. So now we're checking if age is equal to 21, and if so, we want to run our code, some code inside this body created with these curly brackets. And I'll just print out oops, this is kind of stuck. I'll just print out my age is 21. Oops, this should run if it's not stuck for some reason, and if it is, check to go to manually, then go to automatically once again, and it should unstuck itself, and we should get my age is 21. If you change it to 22, then and then again this is stuck probably. So I know in other languages that you can, I didn't told you this, but if your age is 21, this will not run. As you can see, we don't get anything. And again, as in every language, if this is not true, you can go into the else block, in which I'll print just that my age is not 21. And now we should see that printed out that my age is not 21. And in some languages, if I delete this, you can omit this parenthesis if it's only one line, but in Swift you cannot. Just thought you know this. So if you enjoy videos like this one, make sure to subscribe here. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.